Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi, I am Spriha from Spriha Solve Day. I made another part 2 of 5 phrases with repeated words. In my last video, I told that when we use one word, the meaning of it is different. Then we use the same word again. 2 same words together make a phrase. The meaning of it is fully different from the one which was before than it. So let's begin. So today's my first phrase is knock knock. So you might have heard about the knock knock popular joke. You might crack it all the time as me with your friends. So it's a joke and it's also used to excuse. Like in spite of saying excuse me, you can say like knock knock, knock knock, please give me a side, or excuse me. We sometimes say excuse me, I'm really sorry, or we might say like knock knock, I'm sorry. Okay, then the second phrase is tut tut. It might be heard funny, but it's not. The meaning of it is strong disapproval. Like someone, you are very annoyed with someone, then you can say like tut tut, that's enough. And then my third phrase is now now. Now now mainly means mild disapproval. Like tut tut is annoyed or strong disapproval. Now now is the mild version of disapproval. Like an example of now now is now this behavior is not acceptable, or now this was not acceptable from you. Okay, so my fourth phrase is here here. Here means to show strong agreement, that you fully agree with something. Suppose to say in a debate, you are debating and your opposite team say the thing and you're fully agreed with it. You might say like, yes, that's the point, I fully agreed with you. In spite of saying this, you might use here. That's the thing. Okay, so my last phrase of today's video is there. You might find someone very upset, and then to comfort him or her, you might use there, it will be fine, don't be worried. It's fully used in friends, cousins, or parents to their children. Like there, everything will be fine, don't worry, be happy, nothing happened. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Give my video a like if you like my videos, and subscribe to my channel for new videos like it, and click the notification bell to be notified at my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.